this question. So they tell me that I have a bag that contains 100 marbles. 24 are green, 45 are blue, and the rest are pink. If I pick at random two marbles, what is the probability that both are blue? Now, because I'm picking both marbles, this is what we call a dependent probability. What that means is that because I grab one marble and then I grab the other one at the same time, right? If I want to see the probability of the first one that is blue, it's going to be equals to what? Well, I know that in total I have 100. I know that 45 are blue, so this is going to be 45 over 100 times, because the probability, you're talking about that you have a blue, and you have the word and, that means times. Well, but this is the thing. When you grab the marble, instead of 100, now you have 99. Instead of 45, now you have 44. Therefore, your answer is going to be 45 times 44 over 100 over 99. Now, when I see this, before doing the multiplication, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just break down this number. So 45, I'm going to write it down into 9 times 5. 100, I'm going to write it into 9 times 20. 44, I'm going to write it as 4 times 11, and 99 as 9 times 11. Look at that beauty. Let's kill all of this. Bye, and then it's much easier to do the math. So then I just have 4 over 20, which I can also say that is equals to 1/5.